On this episode of the Gale and Health Report, various food products have been recalled due to bacterial contaminations such as Listeria and Salmonella. Be sure to like and subscribe for more content like this, and stay tuned for more details. Church Brothers LLC recalls multiple brands of green onions due to the potential of Salmonella contamination. This recall is a result of a single product sample that was collected by Canadian Food Inspection Agency that indicated the presence of Salmonella. The company promptly reported this issue to the FDA, and to the knowledge of the Church Brothers farms, no illnesses have occurred or have been reported to date. Symptoms from a Salmonella infection include fever, diarrhea, nausea, vomiting, and abdominal pain. In rare instances, arterial infections such as infected aneurysms, endocarditis, and arthritis are possible. Young children, frail or elderly people, and those with weakened immune systems should be on high alert. Here's the product information that you're looking for. These green onions were distributed in Canada and in America. For America, here are the list of states that they were distributed in. Here's a picture of the packaging, and you'll find a green sticker on it with the information about the item or these packing labels as shown here. For the Canada distribution, you're looking for the Imperial Fresh brand of green onions that are iceless. There's one lot code that's been affected. For the USA distributed green onions, you're looking for the brands that are labeled Church Brothers, Trader Joe's, or Imperial Fresh. And again, these are the green onions iceless packages. So there are a couple of lot codes that are affected, and be mindful that for the Trader Joe's one, there is a pack date of September 25th of 2024. If you're somebody you know who has these products or have been affected by it, you can return your items to the place of purchase for a full refund. And you can contact the Church Brothers Farm Consumer Hotline at the email address listed here or the phone number listed below. The next couple of recalls involve Listeria monocytogenes, and this is bacteria that can cause listeriosis, with symptoms showing up as fever, severe headaches, muscle aches, stiffness, and gastrointestinal issues. These symptoms can last from days to several weeks, so you're advised to seek medical attention. Once again, young children, frail or elderly people, and those with weakened immune systems should beware. Infection with Listeria can also cause miscarriages and stillbirths among pregnant women. Persons in the higher risk categories who experience flu-like symptoms within 2 months after eating the contaminated food should also seek medical care and tell their healthcare provider about eating Listeria contaminated foods. So multiple brands of frozen waffle products have been recalled due to Listeria monocytogenes contamination. These brands are distributed in the United States and Canada. Again, there are various packages, various formats with different brand names. There are lots of UPC codes, lots of lot codes, and Best Buy dates, which you will find at the end of the carton. I have a video scroll here to show you which ones there are. If you are listening to this, you want to pay attention to the screen. There is quite a bit. As noted, there are 85 pages on this scroll. somebody you know is in possession of these frozen waffles, please do not consume. You want to discard the items in the trash, or you may return it to your local store for credit. Contact your physician or healthcare provider if you've experienced any problems related to consuming this product, and you may contact the Treehouse Foods Incorporated at the number listed below. Dakota Tom sandwiches have been recalled, also due to potential Listeria monocytogenes contaminations. The pepper jack cheeseburger, the bacon cheeseburger, and the gambler were recalled due to the burger patty being included in the recall from an outsider supplier, which is Bruce Pack. Dakota Tom sandwiches is no longer using this ingredient from the supplier's impacted facility, and again, the supplier is Bruce Pack. The Dakota Tom sandwiches are distributed in grocery and convenience stores in Iowa, Minnesota, North Dakota, South Dakota, and Wyoming. Once again, it's the bacon cheeseburger, the pepper jack cheeseburger, and the gambler sandwiches. And the lot codes are listed here. These items will have the Best Buy date between September 1st of 2024 and November 23rd of 2024. If you or someone you know has been affected by this, or you're in possession of this, please do not consume. You want to discard the item. You can also return to your place of purchase for a full refund. You may also contact Dakota Tom sandwiches at the number listed below. Albertsons Companies also recalls their ReadyMeals and store-made deli items due to Listeria monocytogenes contamination. The recall was initiated because these products contain a recalled ready-to-eat chicken ingredient supplied by Bruce Pack of Durant, Oklahoma, which was found to be contaminated with Listeria monocytogenes during a routine test by the U.S. Department of Agriculture's Food Safety and Inspection Services. The meals and deli items are distributed in stores listed below. It does not affect all the Albertsons stores, so please make sure you pay attention to that. And they are also distributed within the states listed here. Please make note of that. Once again, there are 12 items on this list. You can go ahead and take a screenshot of it, where you would see which ready meal item, which UPC number, which stores it affects, as well as the states of which they are distributed in. If you or somebody you know is in possession of any of these ready meals or deli prepared items, please do not consume it. Trash these items, or you can return it to your store for a full refund. Contact your physician or healthcare provider if you've experienced any problems related to consuming these products. And you may contact the Albertsons Company's Customer Service Center at the number listed below. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like and comment for more videos like this. And be sure to follow us on Instagram and TikTok at GNHR. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one.